Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and relationship, we'll be picking more cards. So these are for your general energies, guys. So these are for your relationship, and these cards are for your career situation, guys. We'll be picking more cards, and I'll also be picking one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. This is the card. I will leave it here, guys. So we will turn this card at last, Pisces. So let's see what are these cards. We have the World, Five of Swords in reverse, and Justice in reverse, Pisces. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career or in this relationship, you have things going against your expectation, guys. So some kind of troubles, some delays, or some worrying circumstances are there. You are worried maybe for some things. The reasons may be you want to do things in a particular way and you have your own ideals, and when you are unable to do things in the right way, in that expected way, you feel really stressed and worried, guys, maybe. So in your career or in your life, the values you have, maybe you are a person who's devoted, dedicated, so you put in your 100% efforts. Maybe for some reason, when you're unable to do it that way, you feel stressed and worried, guys. And I also see that today you have that sense of completion, maybe. So certain things are going right, guys. It may be your career situation or your life, but certain things are not going right. But whatever the case may be, you are finding that balance in your situation, harmony, balance, and peace of mind. So that is what I see with these cards. Maybe on certain things you have achieved your goals, you are on the path to success. So that may be the reason for happiness we see here. But there are certain troubles in your situation, guys, Pisces. So that is with these cards, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship first, so that will give us more clarity in your situation. So it is King of Cups in reverse, Death, and Two of Wands. So in your relationship, I see that you are ready to venture into something. Maybe you have taken a break, and that time you have taken that break, that is enough for you. You have healed from the situation. You have overcome that negatives you had within yourself because of this love, maybe some past failures. So you have healed from it and you are ready to move forward. So you are expecting some new path in your life in this relationship. Maybe you are waiting for that new person. Guys, if you are single right now, I see that you are ready for a new connection. You are waiting for the right person to come towards you. Maybe for some of you, there are people in your life. Maybe it may be a person you are involved with, or it may be your family member, someone, they are gossiping behind you, guys. Maybe they have a particular image about you and they are not able to see that you have healed from your situation. Maybe you would have faced a lot of bad days in your past love. Maybe you have shared your past with them, your experiences, and they are unable to take it that you have bounced back, healed. So, some kind of jealousy they have towards you, and that may be the reason for them behaving in such a way towards you. So, they have some resentments towards you guys, and they are simply jealous that you have healed and ready, uh, radiating that confidence in your situation, guys, Pisces. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles in reverse, and Wheel of Fortune. So, Pisces, you are a very talented person, skilled, and you have that ability to handle any situation. So, in your career situation, maybe, guys, on few things, whatever you were expecting is not happening. But few things are falling into place. So, maybe some projects may get delayed, but on some things you are happy, simply happy to enjoy that completion, that proper completion of projects, or so whatever lucrative returns you are expecting for yourself, you are getting all that. So whatever happiness is destined to be to reach you guys, Pisces, you are enjoying it today, guys. That is what I see. So destiny may be the reason for things going in a particular way in your situation, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. Let us see what is your crystal spirit guidance. It is Numite. So let's see what is the reading with this card. This crystal, it stands for that inner power, guys. This crystal is for that inner power. So today you are having that knowledge about yourself, and you know what you are, what kind of person you are, and you are achieving that sense of self today. So whatever you are, you have that clarity in your heart, that clear understanding. So for your relationship, maybe if you want a positive relationship, you have to work towards that, guys. So a positive relationship is a everyday work. So we have to use our skills, talents, make it work, try hard, maybe to get that understanding between each other. So when you put in lot of efforts, practice that loving bond with that person, only then that relationship will proceed in a positive way, guys. So the same way in our career situation also, we will know what we need to do to make things go in the right way. So we have to do it diligently each and every day, only then we will be successful. So that is the reading with this card, guys, the guidance for y'all, Pisces. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.